guys, Talks Bro here, back with another video coming right at ya, and welcome to Talks Production. I'll start to make a bunch of Stickman animations. It probably won't be a story series or something like that, but I'll try my best. Okay. Okay. Blue. Well, I am just showing you my animation. Now, the comic works really slow. I just hope that this is a different animator. I'm using stick pivot stick nodes. But makes it a bit harder. There's a funny bit where
Can't spoil.
okay, I'll pull up that. There's a really slow bit and I'll tell you when. And then let's get into it. Oh shit, short. Oh shit.
Like getting scared.
Okay. Here. This is the slow bit. This is a slow bit. Matrix. I'll tell you what, it's really slow bit. And that's really slow bit. He scratches his head. Very slow bit. Sorry.
It's just this hot dog.
Okay.
Ew!
What? Okay, whatever. Yeah, that was my animation, but just a small instruction. I hope you enjoyed it. I will